Hey guys, how are you today? Today I'm going to talk about lesson 4, more about pictures. So, what will we learn in this lesson? We will learn different interesting functions such as remove background, corrections, color, artistic effects, and transparency. Now, let's see this picture over here. This picture consists of a yellow creature, a green creature, and the background. So, when will we use these functions? Let's talk about remove background first. If today I need to use the picture I just mentioned, however, I only need a yellow creature, then what should I do? I would have to remove the background as well as the green creature out of the picture. So how could I do this? I would have to use the function remove background. So this is how this function works. And what about the other functions over here? These functions are just like camera's filters. We can choose whatever type we like to beautify the picture, just like the picture showing over here. It looks different because of the color, brightness, artistic effects, and so on. However, it is actually the same picture. So, where is the function and how do we use it? First, double left click the picture. Second, you will see the picture format on your toolbar. Third, left click the function you want to use. Now, let's see how it works through this video. As you can see the picture over here, I double left click it, and then you will see the functions over here. Now, let's talk about how to remove background. First, double left click on the picture, and then you will see picture format. Next, left click remove background. Then you will see the bar over here. Let's see how it works through this video. I double left click the picture, and then I click remove background. Then you will see the bar. There are actually two ways to remove background. The first one is to mark areas to keep, and the second one is to mark areas to remove. Although, how do we remove it? The first method is to left-click once the area you want to select, and the second method is to left-click and drag the area you want to select. Now, let's see how remove background works when I only want the yellow creature to appear through this video. Before the video, I want to tell you guys a concept that the purple area you will see in the later video is the place you want to remove. So now, let's start the video. I double left click the picture, and then I click remove background. First, I click mark areas to keep. So I started to draw the places I want to keep. And then I click mark areas to remove. So now I draw the places I want to remove. And now I finish my picture. Click keep changes. After finishing the picture, what can you do if you want to discard all changes? First, double left click on the picture. Second, left click remove background. And last, left click discard all changes. Now, let me show you guys the other functions in picture format. These are relatively simple functions to operate, so I'm not going to talk about it very much. I will show you guys one of them through the example. You can try the other functions by yourself after this course ends. So now, let's see the example. As you can see, there are two pictures. The left one is the original picture. The right one is the picture after I used the function corrections in picture format. You can discover that the picture on the right is clearer and brighter than the original one. Now, let's see how I do it through this video. First, you can see the picture over here. I double left click it, and then I click corrections. So you can see brightness over here. So now I choose the picture I want. So I left click it. And now the brighter and clearer picture is finished. Now, it's your time to practice. See you next time. Bye.